Life is a miracle. Each breath we take is a gift. Within us lies a spark of something greater, something divine. This is divine consciousness, the source of all creation. It flows through every living being, connecting us all in a web of existence. This consciousness is not separate from us. It is not something we need to search for. It resides within, waiting to be awakened. Like a seed holds the potential for a mighty tree, we hold the potential for enlightenment. Our journey begins with recognizing this divine spark within. It is about understanding that we are not separate from the universe, but rather an integral part of it. We are all interconnected, bound together by the same life force, the same divine consciousness. Look around you. The world is a symphony of divine consciousness. From the smallest grain of sand to the vast expanse of the cosmos, everything vibrates with this life force. The trees reaching for the sky embody growth and resilience. The rivers flowing endlessly teach us about the nature of change. The animals in their natural grace remind us of the beauty of instinct and intuition. Nature is our greatest teacher. It whispers secrets of the universe if we only listen. By observing nature, we connect with the rhythm of life, the ebb and flow of divine consciousness. Open your heart to the wonders around you. Embrace the interconnectedness of all things. In doing so, you will begin to see the divine in every sunrise, every leaf, every breath. The human brain is a marvel of creation. It is an intricate network of neurons and synapses constantly firing and communicating, creating the very essence of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It is a complex organ capable of incredible feats of thought, creativity, and connection. This complexity allows us to solve problems, create art, and build relationships, making us unique in the animal kingdom. But the brain is more than just a physical organ. It is a gateway to realms beyond our ordinary perception, a bridge to the infinite possibilities of the universe. It is a receiver, a transmitter, a bridge to the divine. This connection to the divine is not just a metaphor, it is a tangible experience that many have felt through deep meditation and spiritual practices. Think of the brain as a radio. Just as a radio can tune into different stations, our brain can tune into different frequencies of consciousness. It can receive signals from various frequencies. These frequencies can range from the mundane, everyday thoughts to the profound insights that come from a higher state of awareness. One of these frequencies is that of divine consciousness. This frequency is always present but often drowned out by the noise of our daily lives. When we quiet our minds and tune into this frequency, we tap into a source of infinite wisdom and creativity. This state of being allows us to access knowledge and insights that are beyond our ordinary understanding. Just as a radio needs to be tuned to receive a clear signal, so too does the mind need to be trained. This training involves practices that help us focus and clear our minds. Through practices like yoga and meditation, we can clear away the mental clutter and static, allowing us to receive the subtle whispers of the divine. These practices help us to center ourselves and open up to higher states of consciousness. The more we connect with this higher consciousness, the more we awaken our true potential. This awakening is a gradual process, but with consistent practice, we can experience profound changes in our lives. We begin to see the world through the lens of love, compassion, and understanding. This shift in perspective allows us to interact with others in a more meaningful and empathetic way. We become instruments of peace, radiating positive energy out into the world. This positive energy not only transforms our own lives, but also has a ripple effect, touching the lives of those around us and contributing to a more harmonious world. Section 4, Emotions, the language of our inner being. Emotions are the language of the soul. They are the silent whispers of our inner being, communicating our deepest truths and desires. They are powerful energies that can either uplift us or hold us back. Emotions can be like the stars. guiding us through the darkness, or like clouds obscuring our vision. Understanding our emotions is crucial for spiritual growth and for enhancing our connection with divine consciousness. By delving into the depths of our feelings, we uncover the layers of our true selves. When we experience joy, love, and gratitude, our energy vibrates at a high frequency. These positive emotions act like a beacon, attracting more light and positivity into our lives. This positive energy aligns us with the frequency of divine consciousness, allowing us to experience greater peace, clarity, and well-being. It is in these moments that we feel most connected to the universe and our higher purpose. However, negative emotions like anger, fear, and resentment lower our vibrational frequency. These emotions can be like storms, turbulent and overwhelming, disrupting our inner peace. They create blockages within us, preventing the free flow of divine consciousness. These blockages can manifest as physical ailments, mental stress, or spiritual disconnection. The key is not to suppress our emotions, but to acknowledge them without judgment. By facing our emotions head-on, we allow ourselves to process and understand them. Observe them with detachment, like clouds passing by in the sky. This practice of mindful observation helps us to remain centered and grounded, even amidst emotional turmoil. By understanding the root of our emotions, we can begin to heal and release any negativity that is holding us back. This journey of emotional awareness and healing is a continuous process, leading us closer to our true selves and to the divine. Journaling, meditation, and self-reflection are powerful tools that can aid us in this journey. They help us to articulate our feelings, gain insights, and foster a deeper connection with our inner being. Embrace your emotions, for they are the language of your soul. Through them, you can navigate the vast universe within and find your path to spiritual enlightenment. Section 5. Beliefs, shaping our reality, shaping our consciousness. Our beliefs are powerful forces that shape our reality. They are the lenses through which we view the world, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions. They act as filters through which we perceive the world. Just as a telescope brings distant stars into focus, our beliefs bring certain aspects of our reality into sharper view, while blurring others. If our beliefs are limiting, they can prevent us from experiencing the fullness of divine consciousness. These limiting beliefs act like clouds obscuring the stars, blocking the light and beauty that is always present. When we hold on to beliefs of fear, lack, or separation, we create a reality that reflects these beliefs. It's like living under a perpetual night sky where the light of possibility is dimmed by the shadows of doubt and fear. We may experience obstacles, challenges, and a sense of disconnection from ourselves and the world around us. These experiences are not random. They are the manifestations of our inner landscape, the direct result of the beliefs we hold. However, when we embrace beliefs of love, abundance, and interconnectedness, our reality shifts accordingly. It's as if the clouds part, revealing a sky full of stars, each one a symbol of the infinite possibilities that await us. We attract positive experiences, opportunities, and relationships that support our growth and well-being. These new experiences are like the aurora borealis, illuminating our path with vibrant colors and guiding us towards our highest potential. Examine your beliefs. Are they serving you or holding you back? Just as an astronomer maps the stars to navigate the night sky, we must map our beliefs to navigate our lives. Challenge any limiting beliefs that prevent you from stepping into your full potential. Break through the barriers that confine you, just as light breaks through a prism to reveal a spectrum of colors. Choose to embrace beliefs that empower you, uplift you, and align you with the frequency of divine consciousness. These empowering beliefs are like constellations, guiding you through the vast expanse of your potential. Remember, you are a co-creator of your reality. Each belief you hold is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, painting the picture of your existence. By consciously choosing your beliefs, you can create a life filled with joy, purpose, and connection. Reach out and grasp the stars, for they are within your reach. The power lies within you. Just as the Milky Way is a collection of countless stars, your reality is a collection of countless beliefs. Choose wisely and let your inner light shine brightly.